Hello everyone, this is Business Tosin away today again. Now we have Crash 1000 index. So I quickly want to show you the results from the 1st of May 2021 so that you guys can see. So we have Crash 1000 index, which I was telling those people that are operating small accounts to close if necessary, and later I asked them to add another position, which they did, and it came in profit. So you see, this is it. This is it. So that's for that signal. Then we also have for jump 10. I have the SL here. So later I added crash 500 because the jump 10 was consolidating. So I added crash 500, and both of them later came in profit. Both of them came in profit. Jump 10 came in profit. Crash 500 came in profit. So we have the May 3rd, which is on Monday. On Sunday, I don't normally trade on Sunday, but if I see the opportunity, I drop signal for that. So on 3rd of May, we have crash 1000 index, which really crashed and gave us something good. And also we have more crash here for the crash 1000 index. We have boom 500 is active as pending order. That's the buy limit, which later gave us something that you are seeing on the screen, something like this. So it's a massive profit, guys. So we have boom 1000 index. Also a buy limit is active at the point of our entry. So we want that too. Okay, so you see. So also these are the results so far from the VIP subscriber. So in a day, this guy got over $100 with just $40. So that's it. And also on the 4th of May, we have Crash 500 index, which is to buy, and we bought. You see, we have a massive profit too for Crash 500 index. So you see, um, also another signal on 4th of May, we have Boom 1000 index, which our EP is 5683. We bought Boom, and you can see this is a spike. Okay, so also we have Boom 500 to sell. We sold and we won. Okay, so we just capped through this. And on the 5th of May, we have Boom 500 index. You can see we won too, right? So we sold Boom 500 index, as you can see. Now check the date that I posted it. Okay, so we won Boom 500 index sale, and scalping 3 minutes to 5 minutes is cool, depending on your account and the lot size you use. So we also have another Boom 500 index, which EP is 5821, and the EP means the entry point. Okay, so we want that too. Okay, now are you guys counting the number of winnings? Okay, we win. um Another day, which is 6th of May, we have crash 1000 index, EP at 11686, and also two signals was dropped at the same time. We also have crash 500 index, whose EP is 9726. Okay, so we won both. Okay, so now you can see we won crash 1000 index. This is crash, and this time is not M1, is M5, and it ran for over 10, 20, 30, like 35 minutes. It's running without looking back. Okay, no spike at all. So we also have for the boom, for the crash 500 index, beg your pardon. So we have the result is also cool. You see, so this ran for over 20 minutes. Okay, so that's massive, guys. That's massive. So I sent something in the VIP that we're looking, which I share on the free group too, on the free channel. We're looking at crash 500 for a sell on M5. So on the 7th of May, the signal was a bit late, which I later dropped crash 500 sell. Okay, so for the crash 500 sell, this is what we have. You see, we have to spike down. You see, we have another after a retest. So that's it for crash 500 index. And on the 8th of May, you see we have crash 1000 index whose AP is 11478. We sold and we won too. Okay, we won this too, and we have another one that's boom 1000 index. EP is the entry point, entry price, entry point is the same thing. So we have 10906. We bought. So you see, we want to look at the spike. We won. So guys, that's exactly what we were doing in the VIP. So we're making money, okay? You see, so the VIP is real, guys. So if you want to pay for VIP, it's just $40 in a month, okay? Just $40 in a month. And right now I'm running a massive promo. I'll give you the indicator. The indicator is $150. Mentorship is $100, and Signal monthly Signal is $40. But I'm giving everything for $150. Yeah, $150. And once you see this video and you're interested, you can just um chat me up. In the description below you'll see the Telegram link there. You join the Telegram link or you chat me direct after seeing this video. And guys, I'll give you where to make payment for Skrill, Perfect Money, and also for um using cryptocurrency, be it Bitcoin, Ripple, Ethereum, any cryptocurrency. When you make payments, guys, we will. So guys, you can see this is Business Plus, okay? So our winnings is sure. Let me scroll up so that we can review something of a bit. Okay, April 23rd. So you will know that this ain't scam. Now we have step index. Let me just check this, and we want step index. You can see. Now let me check another. This is boom crash crash 500 we bought. You can see we want. So guys, all the signals on this channel, they are perfect, okay? And the only thing I do implore people to do is to take their risk management, and those people doesn't understand that to the fullest. I have a video you can just check up about risk management. Watch the video and you know exactly what risk management is all about. So guys, that's it for this video. Stay blessed and God bless you. Bye.